Hello, we are going to discuss the first lecture of our subject Artificial Intelligence and Robotics. Let's see the first topic, that is Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. So what is meant by artificial intelligence? According to the father of artificial intelligence, John McCarthy, it is stated as the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. Another definition is given here. Artificial intelligence is a way of making a computer controlled robot, or a software that thinks intelligently. Okay, that means, in a simple word, artificial intelligence is making a machines that able to think like a human. So here are some definitions which are taken from books about the artificial intelligence. The first one is system that think like humans, system that act like humans, system that think rationally, system that act rationally. Okay, so what is meant by rationally or rationality? This term will be discussed in further slides. So this is the history of artificial intelligence. In 1950, it was just started. In 1955, the father of artificial intelligence coined the term of AI. In 1974, the computers and other peripherals are faster and affordable. In 1980, it was the year of artificial intelligence, and in 2000, it is the actual year of landmark of the establishment of artificial intelligence. So this is the progress of artificial intelligence till date. Goals of artificial intelligence. So what are the goals? First one is to create the expert systems. Expert system means what? The system which exhibit intelligent behavior, learn, demonstrate, explain and advise its user. To implement human intelligence in machines, creating system that understand, think, learn and behave like human. Expert system. Okay, so expert system, the good example of expert system is when we do the online shopping, there are some suggestions given by the, for example, let's take the Amazon services. The Amazon will give the suggestions regarding the shopping according to the behavior of the particular human. This is in this, the example is the human robot. Okay, the robots which can act like a human. So we can make the robots with a artificial intelligence and this is the second goal which will be achieved by creating the systems, that is robotic system that understand, think, learn and behave like humans. What contributes to AI? So these are various terminologies that contributes to artificial intelligence. That means the artificial intelligence is not really about the computer or just robot, but it is all about the various terminologies like philosophy, computer science, psychology, neuron science, biology, maths, sociology. Okay, these all terminologies will come together to form or to coin the new concept, that is artificial intelligence. So this is the difference when you use artificial intelligence and when you use the artificial intelligence without a, or when you program something without artificial intelligence. So programming without AI, what causes? What are the causes? First one is a computer program without AI can answer specific question. Okay, and apart from this, programming with AI, a computer program with AI can answer the generic question it is meant to solve. Okay, this is the basic difference. Second difference is that modification in the programs leads to change in its structure. And if we talk about the programming with AI programs can absorb new modifications by putting highly independent pieces of information together. Third difference is modification is not quick and easy, whereas in programming with AI, quick and easy program modification are there. So let's see various applications of artificial intelligence. First one is gaming. Okay, AI plays crucial role in strategic games such as chess, poker, tic-tac-toe, etc. You might heard about the game tic-tac-toe and poker as well as chess. Second application is natural language processing. It is possible to interact with a computer that understand natural language spoken by humans. Okay, that means we can interact with a computer that can understand the human language. Third one is expert system. There are some applications which integrate machines software and spatial information to impart reasoning and advising. They provide explanation and advice to the user. Okay, next one is vision systems. This system understand, interpret and comprehend visual input on the computer. For example, doctor uses clinical expert system to diagnose the patient, or you can also treat the example as health monitoring system. Next example is police uses computer software that can recognize the face of criminal with a stored portrait made by forensic artist. You might heard this example or might saw this example in various investigation serials as well as the movies. So next term is intelligence. So what is meant by intelligence? In order to understand the concept of artificial intelligence, this is the basic concept, that is intelligence. This is the ability of system to calculate, reason, perceive relationship and analogies, learn from experiences, store and retrieve information from memory, solve problems, comprehend complex ideas, use natural language fluently, classify, generalize and adapt new situations. Okay, that means these are the capabilities, actually the capabilities of the human being. So these are the 9 types of intelligence. First one is logical intelligence. That means recognizing relationship, patterns and trends. The example of logical intelligence is detective, scientist, mathematicians, etc. Next one is spatial intelligence, that is visualizing, third or image manipulation. The example is architects, sculptors, then painters, pilots, etc. Next one is musical intelligence, that is recognizing tone, rhythm of the tone. Okay, example is musician. Next one is kinesthetic intelligence, that means coordination, object manipulation. Example is dancers. Next one is naturalistic intelligence, that is distinguishing between nature's feature. Example is chefs. Okay, next intelligence type is linguistic, that means expressing through language, verbal and written. Example is journalist. Next type is existential. It means deep thought regarding life and death. Examples are philosophers, theologists. Next type is intrapersonal, that means understanding oneself, planning accordingly. Examples are philosophers, spiritual leaders, etc. And last type is interpersonal intelligence, that is excellent communication, empathy. The example is social worker, actors and teachers. Next concept is agent and environment. So what is meant by agent? An agent is anything that can be viewed as perceiving its environment through sensor and sensor acting upon the environment through actuator. This is the simple example of the agent. So let's understand this concept of the agent and the environment. So this is the agent. What the agent will do? Agent will sense some information from the environment, and based on that environment it will take the action to the particular environment. Okay, for example, consider the example of a robot which is playing in a garden. So which is playing in a garden football. Okay, so what that agent or robot will do? Agent or that robot will simply perceive the environment with the help of sensor, and it will take the football, and based on that environment, that is garden, it will throw with his legs outside the garden or with the person which is playing with the particular or that agent or the robot. Okay, the person which is playing with that robot will take the catch of that football. So this is the example of the agent behaving in the environment. Agent terminology. So what are the terminologies behind the agent? First one is performance measure of agent. It is the criteria which determines how successful agent is, means how successfully agent is performing his task. Then behavior of agent, means how the agent is behaving in the particular environment, performing after any given sequence of percepts. Then percept, it is agent's perceptual input at a given instance. Next is percept sequence, that is, it is the history of all that an agent has perceived till date. Percept sequence means what? It is nothing but the history of sequences or history of actions that agent had already performed. Next one is agent function. It is a map from the percept sequence to an action. Next terminology, that is agent program. The agent program is a function for an artificial agent will be implemented by agent program. So there is the basic difference between the agent function and the agent program is the agent function is an abstract mathematical description, while the agent program is a concrete implementation running on the agent architecture. Okay, so next terminology is performance measures. A performance measure embodies the criterion for success of an agent's behavior, means how successfully the agent is performing. Based on that success ratio, the performance of that agent will be measured. So let's take the example of the vacuum cleaner world problem to understand all the concept regarding the agent terminology. Okay, so this is the robot, or this is the agent, or we can say this is the vacuum cleaner which is in the environment. So there are two squares A and B. So what is the option behind, what is the option in front of this vacuum cleaner is to suck the dirt, or if there is no dirt then move on the another block. So basically there are the two blocks A and B, and this vacuum cleaner can perform the actions like left, right, suck the dirt or stop. Okay, so as soon as when the vacuum cleaner found the dirt, it will suck that dirt and move towards the next block, and if it won't find any dirt, then it will just simply stop or find the dirt into the another block. So this is the tabular explanation of the agent function. This is the percept sequence, and these are the action taken by the agent, that is in this case or in this example vacuum cleaner is acts as an agent. Thank you.